Alright, what is up, guys? I don't need it. Actually, I'll put these little flaps on just in case. I don't know how you can see them. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Got my set, wallet, phone, that's good. Honey Revenge playing. It has been a minute. Like, how dirty this thing got again. This is, what's today? March 6th? 5th? This is 6th. It is March 6th. I just got an update that the parts from the last video is not going to arrive until the 11th. So, hopefully, and apparently I just checked and I think it's going to rain today. So hopefully I'm going to make this video quick. Go to PetSmart, get the cat food, just like before. But I'm also going to go to Best Buy. Got some new computer parts. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure these wires. We should be all good. I've had this tarp on this thing for before the last video, whatever. The video where I recorded when I rode that day. That was the last day. So about like over almost 2 months ago now. Damn. This weather really be fucking me up. Alright, me and the R3 are out. Whoop. And I didn't notice this as much. But I sound like my voice for this recordings, they're kind of like how do I put it? It's like not muffly, but like bubbly would be the word. I don't know what the actual word is. Like kind of like muffly, but that's what it's like. Kind of like chubby cheeks, like, you know, when you're like they're like compressed together. It kind of sounds like that, at least to me. That's what it sounds like. But yeah, so going to Best Buy today, getting some little like air compressed cans and some thermal paste, the CPU cleaning thing, some like little alcohol shits. Seeing hopefully they have what I need, because I just upgraded my computer. Technically I didn't really upgrade, I built a new computer. It's like Micro Center, they had some pretty good deals, so hell yeah. There's a Mustang to our left of us. I think it's the is it the 350 I saw earlier? No, it's 5.0. But there's a 350 that lives around here, all blacked out as well. Go, my little 300, go! Alright, looks like we're gonna be hitting every light today or something. That's cool, I guess. Luckily, both PetSmart and the Best Buy are like right across from each other, like in the same parking area. I also got to see if Best Buy could buy the old computer parts I have, which I highly doubt they're going to be worth anything. Like the CPU fan, doubt it. There's really like not, I mean the metals probably could be for something, but honestly I highly doubt it. The motherboard probably has metals like a bunch of coppers and crap. The CPU definitely probably has something, but again, it's just like a name brand place that are probably buying shit, so I doubt they're gonna have a good offer. But honestly, I kind of just want to get rid of most of this stuff, which is why I want to clean it up, make it look as nice as possible. Now let's go, little Accord, let's go. I don't know if you heard that. We're just gonna be chilling and vibing here for a while, I guess. Oh, I don't think I've really ever noticed that boba shop there before. Huh. Maybe in the summer we'll check it out. I just want pizza. And that car got smashed up. That is the one thing I've noticed here down over here where I live, is there's no long-ended tunnels, no long lines, they're just short little underpasses. And sometimes you could get a pretty good oh no, oh, it smells so good right now, but I already ate it earlier. All right, Prius, let's go. I think in the past few days, I've seen like 2-3 people run red lights. It's insane. This area sucks too. You get all these types of people. Chill, homie, chill. Oh, they have all the jack faces. That's pretty cool. It is crowded. What time is it right now? It's past 1. Shouldn't y'all be at work? Again, this is an older. Damn, he's speeding. I'm barely going, not even 30. Best Buy. I'm gonna hit up Best Buy first, then we'll go to PetSmart, just so the food's not sitting in my backpack for like, you know, centuries. Oh, Homemade Ice Cream Shop since 1945. Bro, I can't wait until these new fairings come in, so this actually feels right. Any people crossing, any kids running around, any people just gonna blow through stops? All right. There we are. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get back and do a little drive up to PetSmart. Perfect, when I only need one. There's nothing, I just need one air compressed can. And there's two of them. I don't know why one's blue and one's black. I don't... They're the same price. One's blue and one's black. We go with the black one. Actually, unless there's a difference. I don't think there's a difference. Which flip that one? Yeah, there's less of them. Yeah. Now I gotta see. I don't think they have any. I'm gonna go ask anyways. Probably see if they have like actual CPU cleaners. So we'll check that out. Real quick on the update. i7 292. 16 gigs of RAM and an MSI. Ooh, do they have it here? It's a 690, so I probably doubt it. Got that off about. Oh, and a CPU fan for about 400 bucks. That's alone is 300. These are alone about 170 and 80, so I saved some money. I've saved some money. Oh, and I also got that 970. I'm pretty sure that's the one I bought online. It's a refurbished one. I think it's that one. No, it's not. Mine was 70. Mine was 80 bucks on the dot. But yeah. Alright. Got what I came for, at least for Best Buy. There's little things. I don't need music. This is literally just right here. Alright, on to PetSmart. Talked to them about the trade-in value. And the dude literally was kind of just like, man, very nicely. Oh my god. He was like, oh yeah, he goes, best thing you should do is like Facebook Marketplace or like any like OfferUp and stuff, and just take care of it myself than trading in here, because they're all pretty much straightforward. They're just straight up like, yeah, no, like Best Buy is not gonna buy it, or they're like, they will, but they'll buy it at the lowest price possible, which I don't really mind, but at the same time it's like alright. Yeah, they were just like, if it's individual CPUs, just go to OfferUp, sell it that way. If I can't find anything, or if nothing's like available, I'm probably just gonna recycle it, because one, I don't need the parts. Two, I'd rather send it to a professional so they could take it apart the best way they can. Three, if I make money, cool. If I don't, then well, oh well. And now I gotta get the little one food. And it's getting colder, and I see the rain clouds coming in slightly, so we'll see where this gets me. Alright, we are back at it. Got the food, It is starting to drizzle. Let me take this off. Helicopter. Everything is closed up. I think I'm gonna go around. Whoop. I don't like riding when it's cold, but this feels really nice right now. But I think it's also the sensation of riding. Ah, yeah, easy money. That is too tight for me. I ain't gonna mess. It be wet out here. There's a video. Ah, fuck. The one good thing from this ride, besides that it feels actually really nice, and I like this chilly weather, it's very nice. The wet asphalt. The wet ass concrete asphalt, dude. It smells good. I don't know about you guys, but me, it smells good. Thankfully I don't have to go to work today. That's pretty cool. Where are you turning, Legends? Nice little easy turn. Oh, shit. I forgot these songs were in my playlist, dude. Has Been Hotel. If any of you guys watch that on Amazon Prime, bruh, I know this is gonna be like the weird kid cringe allegations or whatever the hell it's called for like those type of musics. But what song just popped up? Respectless. Now, I always forget her name though. The V chick. I always forget her name. Her part kind of cringe. Like, I get it, but I get what she's trying to say. And Caramel, dude, I love her, especially with Out for Love. But yeah. But yeah, Has Been Hotel. I don't know why I just had a hard blank right now. That was like my brain just turned off. Illegal U-turns. Now we're doing was it Poison? But yeah, I really liked it. I had some skeptics of it, mainly because like, how do I put it? It's like, I don't know. It just didn't seem that appealing to me at first. And then I heard one song, the Alistair song, "Insane" by that fan made one. Oh, I missed that one. And I was like, all right, let's give it a shot. First episode, I was like one episode in, and the next thing you know, I was like, holy shit, I'm 6 episodes in. I gotta go to sleep. It's like 2 in the morning. We all know that type of deal. When you give a series a shot, and next thing you know, you're binge watching the first season. So I like separated in 2 days just so I could prolong it. But I was like, fuck, pretty good. Lucifer, like especially when they did the what was that song name? With him and Charlie. More Than Anything. Oh. Alright, we made it. Nope. Nope. Alright. Hope you guys liked the little ride. I didn't really expect to drizzle. So, leave a like, share, subscribe. I'm going to wrap this whole bike up real quick. And I'll see you guys in the next part. Now, this is Mastrol's opening, the season 2. Also a good series. But yeah, leave a like, share, subscribe, put the notifications on. Tell your friends, tell your family. Maybe not all your family. Where's the... But tell them. Alright. And hopefully the next video is me actually getting all the parts for the R3 for the fairings. And we could do that video out. Perfect. Alright, pieces.